riêng cây puki rồi na rồi cả cái ruộng ta ai riêng mai đang khắp sống từng lâu đi ai riêng mai đang khóc đúng trong lâu đi la lâu na rô nắng ta thắm suni vẫn bằng phi đi la lâu na rô nắng ta thắm suni So you don't need to think about it. And let people say millions times or 1,000 times or whatever. Just don't listen to it. Just believe in yourself, do it, and you will achieve it for sure. And this song is called Fix You. And I hope you guys will like it. This is one of the best songs and this really inspired me. You know, I performed every show this song because you know when everyone have a hard time, I go through hard times too. And everybody, all of us have a heart up and down. So never listen to anybody as long as you believe that your dreams is set right. Believe in your dreams. Let them talk whatever they want. They will see the result at the end. So this song is called Fix You. When you try your best but you don't succeed, when you When you love someone but it goes to waste, could it be worse? Lights will guide you home and ignite your bones. Love will try fixing. When you're high above or down below, when you're too in love to let it go, but if you never try, you'll never know just what it was. Life will guide you home and ignite your bones. Love will try fix you. Tears stream down your face when you lose something you cannot replace. When the tears stream down your face and tears stream down your face, I promise you I will learn from my mistakes. When the tears stream down your face and louder, yeah? You chilly and chip and I will try. We'll fix us to fix you. Thank you so much for having me. Good night. I'll be flying back tonight, so pray for me. Thank you so much for having me.